Let me show you how to fix navbar not showing on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, or how to fix apps not showing up on the navbar. So essentially, if you go to the lock screen and if you try to use the navbar but it doesn't work and maybe only NowBrief shows up over here, then in order to fix this, the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go to settings. Then over here in settings, go to notifications, and over here you want to proceed to the lock screen. And you want to make sure that lock screen notifications are enabled. They have to be enabled to be able to have the navbar enabled, because navbar actually works with notifications. Besides that, for some apps, the content of the lock screen notifications must be shown in order to be able to actually access features from that app. So if the content is hidden, then you might not be able to control certain options. Now in this case, it actually works. However, I'm pretty sure there might be some exceptions and you will not be able to, for example, pause something with the navbar or stuff like that. So you might want to actually show the content. Maybe not for all notifications. If you want to keep the content hidden in general, then you might need to go to app notifications instead. Choose specific apps, like for example, the clock app. And here we have show or hide content when locked. So of course you want to make sure that the content is shown for that app. There is also the live notifications option available for some of these apps that are supposed to work with the navbar. So you can either go through this list of apps in apps notifications and you can make sure that live notifications is enabled over here, or instead you can go to lock screen and AOD. Then we can choose the navbar option here, and then we can check live notifications, and you want to make sure that your apps are enabled in here. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.